Welcome to Product Critique. And today we're going to take a deep dive into what could be the best jacket for your next festive event. The NRBEAWD Men's Casual Blazer Long Sleeve Suit Jacket. If you're looking to stand out at a party, wedding, or business meeting, this could be the perfect choice for you. The NRBEAWD Men's Casual Blazer offers a sleek, stylish design that blends comfort and fashion seamlessly, making it an essential addition to any modern wardrobe. This blazer features a classic one-button closure and a notched lapel, a traditional look that works for both casual and formal occasions. Whether you're attending a wedding, business event, or simply out on a casual night, it's versatile enough to suit any occasion. It has a tailored fit that provides a flattering shape while keeping you comfortable, and the fabric is made from high-quality polyester, making it breathable and smooth against your skin. The three-dimensional design of the fabric adds an extra level of sophistication, ensuring you look your best. One of the highlights of this blazer is its practical design. It comes with two side pockets that are perfect for storing small essentials like your wallet, keys, or phone. You won't have to worry about carrying a bag when you're wearing this jacket. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. The NRBEAWD blazer is available in various colors, and it stands out with its festive prints. It's perfect for occasions like Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, and even St. Patrick's Day. You'll feel the holiday spirit wherever you go, and it's sure to be a conversation starter. What makes this blazer stand out even more is its versatility. While it's great for special occasions like parties or weddings, it also fits into more casual settings. You can wear it to the office, for a date night, or even a graduation party. It's the type of jacket that can transition seamlessly from day to night, casual to formal. Whether you're looking for a gift for someone special or treating yourself to something stylish, the NRBEAWD Men's Casual Blazer is an excellent choice. It's not just a jacket, it's an experience. From the moment you slip it on, you'll feel the difference in quality and design. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed product insights. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates, and as always, make sure to check out the links in the description for more details on this jacket. Until next time, happy shopping!